Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long that I have posted any video on decoupage. So today I just thought of sharing a video on how to do decoupage on metal or a steel trunk. And for this project, I have taken a metal or a steel trunk, which we all have, and it usually gets old with time. So it's the best way to decoupage it, to revamp it and reuse it as a new one. And for that I have taken tissue napkins, some stencils, acrylic colors, fevicol, brushes, sponge dabber and Mod Podge. Guys, it's a sincere request to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that I get encouraged, I get motivated, and I keep on posting more such videos for y'all. Let's get started. So initially what we are going to do is we are going to cover this entire trunk with the help of this blue color. So this is a cerulean blue shade of Fabrica. So I'll do that. I'll give the entire coat, in fact 2 coats on the entire box or trunk. So I have covered the entire trunk with cerulean blue color of Fabrica, and I'm going to give crackle effect to this trunk. So for that I'm using Fevicol MR, and I'm going to cover the entire trunk using this Fevicol. And you can take any PVA glue, any white glue which is thick in consistency, and you have to give vertical strokes like these, thick strokes, so that nice cracks are formed. I have taken this kettle and cup design tissue napkin, and I have separated the sharp edges of the napkin, and I have just randomly separated the design, and I'm going to use this design on my trunk. So let's start decoupaging with the help of Mod Podge. You can see nice fine tiny crackles which have formed just the way I wanted. So now we'll start decoupaging on the trunk. So guys, I have finished decoupaging from all the 3 sides of my trunk. I have kept the back side as it is, and now I'm going to highlight this upper portion of the lid with same blue color. So I have covered the lid with cerulean blue color as well as the handle part, and now I am using Itsy Bitsy Decor varnish to protect my work and give shine to the project. It's very important to varnish your project to protect it from all the dust and give it a good shine. Always choose the color combination according to the design and colors of the tissue napkin, because that will help merge the complete tissue very nicely with the colors. So in this one my tissue was having white and blue colors in it, so that's the reason I have chosen the same colors, and it blended very well with the napkin. with this we have finished revamping or upcycling our trunk, and you can see how beautiful the transformation has happened. This is the view from the back. I have highlighted the edges and the lid, and this is how the trunk looks like. So I hope you like today's video, and if you like, kindly hit the thumbs up and do share the video as much as possible, and keep watching Enchanting Lights. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.